Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower. It is the innermost hole of a flower. It consists of three parts. Number one, stigma. Number two, style. Number three, ovary. Stigma. Stigma is considered as the landing platform of the pollen grain. Pollen grains from the environment are settled over the stigma surface, and here they undergo germination. So this is the germination of the pollen grain. This part is known as the style. It acts as a passage for the male gamete, or the male gametes are transferred from the pollen grain to the ovule through this part. Ovule is the integumented megasporangium. Before discussing the transfer of the pollen grain or development or transfer of the male gamete to the ovule, we have to discuss the structure of the ovule.
The ovule. Ovule is the integumented megasporangium of a flower. It is protected by one, two or more protective coverings which are called the integuments. Normally the number of integument is 2, and these are outer integument and inner integument. The integuments leave a small pore at the tip which is known as the micropyle. Salaza is the other end or opposite end of the micropyle. It is the area of an ovule from which the integuments develop. The whole body of the ovule possesses a special parenchyma tissue which is known as the nucellus. Funicle is considered as the stalk of the ovule. It connects the ovule with the placenta. Hilum is that part which connects the funicle with the body of the ovule, or it is the attachment point between the ovule and the funicle. In some ovule, the body rotates 90 degrees, and as a result a ridge-like structure is developed which is known as the raphe. It is found only in anatropous ovule. At the center of the ovule, the embryo sac is there which contains the female gamete or the egg.